Well, here's the other fiero. Not sure what year it is. Probably says back here on this tag, it says 86. This one's still got the door panels on it. I got some glare there, but it shows. Come on. It can glare. 135. Anyways, this interior is in this one. A few pieces missing. Some seat covers on her. I believe that's a 5-speed too. KYB shock boxes. Got tack, but they might all have tacks in them. Got an angry bird. He looks kind of angry. By saying, "Get out of my car." And I'll do that, Mr. Bird. We got other stuff to show. Now you look here. So it's got a new strut on it. The axles. And up in there is a new mount. And the subframe looks like it has polyurethane mounts in it. I believe those mounts there are polyurethane also. Tie rod is new. Somebody was hot rodding this car because it has a supercharged Buick 3.8 in it. I'm guessing they never got it completed because it doesn't look like it's completed. Still some stuff not hooked up. Like the slave cylinder. Somebody could have took some parts off before I got here, but who knows? Got all this funky hose and brass fitting stuff. Probably heater core. It's like the alternator is new. Some washers behind the mounts. Here's the mounts, polyurethane. This side has new struts. New tie rod also, and a new axle. I don't know if those are stronger axles or not. I don't know. Say the car itself don't look too bad. But I believe they're all plastic. Don't really look rotten in here or nothing. His hot rod project that ended up at the scrapyard. That part is you see a lot of stuff like this. There's another car here I want to show. It's been modified also.